this video, I'm going to teach you a setting that is going to help increase the number of ads that show on your site, which is going to help increase your page RPM and your CPC and your impressions. Okay, so in order to do this, first of all, you go to ads. Okay, you go to the ads section. All right, so when you come to the ads section, you wait for it to load. Okay, this is very cardinal and very important, especially for your loading. Okay, if you are loading, you want to increase your CPC or your RPM. There is also the method for that. If you've already paid for my course, then you would get that method. But if you haven't paid for the course, then it's in my paid Adsense loading model course. Alright, so when you come to the site section, okay, you come here. Okay, you tap on the websites. You can do this for all of your sites. So you tap here. Okay, so when you come here, you come to the in-page formats. Okay, then you come to maximum number of ads, increase it to max, then you apply. Okay, let's do it for all of them. Good. Alright, so over it, well, okay, this place is not included. Then you come to, alright, so that's basically it. So you come to the in-page format. Alright, in the in-page format, you make sure this thing is max. Make sure it is max. And also, if your ad settings, as you can see over here, all of them are turned on. 1/1, 3/3, 3/3, all of them have been turned on. So if you come and you see that any of these isn't turned on, turn it on so that you can get more types of ads showing. Alright, so turn on all of the ads. And also over here too, over here, when you come to the overlay format, the vigilante ad frequency, make it 2 minutes. Alright, make it 2 minutes. Okay, so when you are done, then you apply it to the site, then you save. Okay, so that's basically it. That's how to, yes. So as you can see over here, this changes will take an hour to reflect, but mostly it reflects instantly. Yeah. So that's basically it. So with this, it will make your loading more effective and more profitable. Thank you for staying through this tutorial. And if you have any questions, you can let me know through any of my handles. Okay, the Jordan Wealth, and Shalom.